Are you ready to revolutionize the way your business operates? Do you want smarter workflows, deeper data insights, and seamless collaboration across all teams? Find out latest trends in Zoho One and how they're transforming business operations. AI-powered automation. Zia automates tasks and delivers smarter analytics across Zoho CRM and Zoho Books. Unified data management. Zoho One syncs data across CRM, books, people, inventory, campaign, and more for real-time insights. No-code customization. Zoho Creator allows users to build custom apps without coding, adapting quickly to business needs. Vertical-specific solutions. Tailored industry-specific setups for healthcare, finance, retail, and more. Enhanced collaboration tools. Zoho Mail, Cliq, and WorkDrive improve team communication and document sharing. Streamlined operations with Zoho RPA. Zoho RPA automates repetitive tasks in CRM, inventory, and other apps for efficiency. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact Office Hub Tech today for expert guidance on implementing Zoho One and maximizing its potential for your business.